I take some mid kind of color clay and I'm going to cut portion with my cookie cutter to make sure every time they are the same size. Now I roll it into a bowl and now I'm going to make the shape of a sausage. I always put it here to collect all the extra pigment, and I already have my powder pastel here. This is like a, I don't know, like a brick kind of color. Until they look like this, I'm going to do the, what is it called, the dough that's going to be around the sausage. I just rolled it into my pasta machine. It's a little bit thinner here, and it doesn't matter that I have still some of the pastels on my hands because I'm going to color this. But first I like to add some texture with a toothbrush. So now that I did that, I'm going to add the shading also to make it look baked. So I do that little by little until I reach the amount of golden that I want. In this case, it's going to be like no more than this until it looks something like this. Now I'm going to take a cutter and I'm going to do some lines like this. I don't know how thin they are, maybe like 2 or 3 millimeters. And okay, now I'm going to start to wrap it. So I take one piece and have the sausage is unbaked. So I put it, I normally want to leave the part, this part visible, so I'm going to start wrapping like this. Okay, and I continue doing that. Slowly, take your time. I know Instagram or any social media wants everything fast, but these things take time. So it ends here and I just grab another one and I usually put it, you know, randomly, but it's like real food. It has to look like it's homemade, you know. So yeah, so I put it like that and I'm almost reaching the head part, and I want to leave some space for the face of the mommy, I don't know how to say mommy. So in this part I think I'm going to put from the back and I'm going to go down like this. Oh, sorry. So, and I'm going to end it here, I guess, maybe. Yep, something like this. And I just pull it and that's it. Okay, so here's the first one and I'm going to do the next ones, and I have them here right now. If I need to add more shading to the, you know, the pastry part, I just put some more, but I think for now that's it. And I'm going to put just some mustard eyes to them. So I take a little bit of my liquid clay that has some pigment to it and I put the eyes as centered as I can, and I think that's it. So yep, this is my hot dog mommy dog, or mommy hot dog. I don't know how I called it, but yes. And yep, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.